Hey, it's your Nomad Consultant here, giving you a Funky Friday shout out. Okay guys, I'm in the sun-soaked city of Hargeisa. As you can see in the background, you can hear the noise of the trucks and the buses on the far distance. Anyway guys, sorry for not giving a shout out before the Christmas and New Year, but I can't believe it now, it's 2019. Anyway guys, what I want to do for this shout out, Funky Friday shout out for my followers, is to give you a shout out called New Year, New Resolution. Everyone around you, you see them want to go to the gym, they have all this goal, they get all excited for a month or two, and then that's it. But now actually, what I want to give my advice is to say, look guys, think long term. Don't just think about short term. It's good to have short term goals, but actually, when I'm saying short term goals, I'm talking about a year, okay? A year to 3 years. And actually, for the distance, you need to be going 10 years, okay? I give a shout out to Tony Robbins, where a friend of mine gave me a book, and he basically said, and called it, I think, The Giant Within. So I want to give a shout out to my boy G-Man for giving me that book, okay? I really learned a lot from Tony Robbins, and basically what he said is that usually we get kind of deflated after a while if we don't achieve our goals. However, we can achieve a lot within 10 years. That's a key thing that I took from that book. So for yourself, give yourself where you want to see yourself in 3 years time, in 10 years time, and you actually will find yourself achieving these goals very soon, okay? So that's my shout out for Funky Friday. I also want to give a shout out to Guled, who I met, one of my followers on Hargeisa. So Guled, I apologize for not taking down the name of the business, but if you do watch this video, put it down in the comments, okay? Until then guys, take care, peace and love, enjoy your Funky Friday.